40 days left for 2026 to begin, and I want to ask you, what if you could use these 40 days to completely change your English? You don't need years to become fluent, you just need a clear plan, daily practice, and the right attitude. I know the struggle when you understand everything in English but can't speak confidently. I was there too. But I changed it, and today I'll show you exactly how you can become fluent before 2026. So stay with me for the next few minutes. This might be the most important video you watch before the new year. Part 1. The Mindset Shift. Fluency doesn't start from grammar, it starts from your mindset. Stop saying, "My English is weak, I'm scared to speak, I can't sound confident like others." Start saying, "I'm improving daily, mistakes mean I'm growing, my goal is progress, not perfection." Because remember, English fluency is not about speaking fast, it's about speaking freely. So for the next 40 days, promise yourself no self-judgment, only practice. Part 2. The 40-day fluency roadmap. Here's your step-by-step plan to transform your English before 2026. Week 1. Foundation and listening. Days 1 to 10. Start by training your ears to understand English naturally. Listen to one English podcast daily. Even 10 minutes is fine. Repeat what you hear. Copy pronunciation and rhythm. Learn 5 new words every day and use them in your sentences. Watch English content with subtitles first, then without. Focus on comfort, not perfection. And yes, during this phase, start learning phrasal verbs like give up, look after, carry on, and bring up. These make your English sound natural and fluent, just like native speakers. If you want to learn new phrasal verbs daily, subscribe to this channel because we keep uploading short, easy to learn phrasal verb videos every week. Trust me, mastering them will boost your English 10 times faster. Week 2. Speaking practice, day 10 to 20. Now it's time to break the hesitation barrier. Talk to yourself in English for 10 minutes every day. Describe your surroundings, your plans, or your dreams in English. Record your voice, it's the best mirror for your improvement. Speak slowly and clearly. Fluency is not about speed, it's about confidence. Tip. Don't translate from Hindi to English. Think directly in English. Even if you use simple words, your goal is to express, not impress. Week 3. Vocabulary plus grammar in action. Days 21 to 30. This week is all about expression. Learn 10 new words daily and make your own example sentences. Replace simple words with smarter ones. Angry to frustrated, happy to delighted, tired to exhausted. Watch English movies or TED talks. Repeat key sentences aloud. Study only one grammar topic per day, like tenses or prepositions, and use it in real speech. And yes, continue adding phrasal verbs. Use them naturally. I ran into my old friend yesterday. Let's go over this topic again. Don't give up now. These little phrases make your English sound confident and effortless. Week 4. Confidence and conversation. Days 31 to 40. This is where transformation happens. Speak with at least one real person daily, a friend or even online. Join English speaking communities or discussion groups. Teach someone something small in English. It boosts your confidence. Review your recordings from day 1 and celebrate your progress. By day 40, you won't speak better English. You will sound like a new confident version of yourself. Part 3. Motivation and personal touch. I started my journey like this too. Nervous, shy, and scared of making mistakes. But every day, I learned a few new phrases, practiced 10 minutes, and slowly it all clicked. One day, I realized I was thinking in English. That's when I knew I had become fluent. So don't wait for the perfect time. These 40 days before 2026 can completely change your life if you decide to start. So here's your challenge. 40 days, one goal, speak fluent English before 2026. Start today. Watch our videos daily to learn new phrases, phrasal verbs, and speaking tricks that will make you confident and fluent. Comment below, "I am in for the 40-day challenge," and I'll reply personally to keep you motivated. If you want to grow your English and your confidence together, subscribe now because we are uploading new phrasal verbs, daily conversation tips, and motivational English videos every single week. Let's make 2026 the year you speak English fluently and confidently.